What's up, welcome back to another video. I've been having a little bit of issue for the past 3 days, and I was just gonna go ahead and fix it, but I figured I'll make a video about it and show you guys how to fix this. All right, so about 3 days ago, I jumped in the H2, turn the key on, and I saw a message on the dash said ice possible. Obviously that was a problem because it was like 78, almost 80 degrees outside. So right away that told me there was a little issue. And because this has happened to me with other vehicles, and I've helped other people with the H2 before, I really knew where to go. If that ever happens to you, most likely the problem is that you have your ambient temperature sensor going bad. Now, if you wonder where they are located, I'm going to show you in a minute. They're right here. I'm going to pop the hood open and show you exactly where they're located at. All right, so these two guys right here is what you're looking for. Now, I believe that one of these guys will show you the temperature on your rear view mirror, and the other one will go to the dash. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and replace just one of them. I went ahead and got 2 of them, so I can go ahead and take care of both of them at the same time. That way I know that not only one of them might go bad and then I have to go ahead and replace the other one. So I'm just going to be ahead of time and replace both of them. Now, one other problem you might run into when you have this issue is that sometimes these also causes the AC to malfunction. Your clutch might not engage, and you run into a situation where you might turn the truck on. You may not see that ice possible message on the dash, but then you turn the AC on, and then you notice there's no cold air blowing. Now, just because I know that, today I went to a couple of shops just to see what they were gonna say my issue was. Obviously, I already knew what it was. The 2 shops I went to, they're in the LA area. If you watch my videos, you know I'm in the LA area. I'm not going to put their names out there, but this just to show you that if you don't know what's going on, you can run into the wrong shop and they're probably trying to get you for a big amount of money when fixing these. It's only going to cost you around $25, $30. Now, first shop I went to, they were about to just convince me that all I needed was more Freon. I knew that wasn't the case. They were about to charge me probably upwards of $100 just to flush whatever little Freon supposedly I have in there, which I already know I have plenty of Freon on the truck. The second shop told me that I needed a new compressor. Again, I knew that wasn't the situation. Just because I know that some of these places, if you act like you just want to run in and pay whatever it costs to fix the situation, if you run into an honest shop, obviously that won't happen. If you got your own mechanic, pretty sure he won't take you like that. But that kind of shows me that still nowadays, I don't know if it's because of the situation we're in or whatever, but shops still trying to get you for your money. Anyways, now that you know where the 2 sensors are located, I'm going to show you what they look like, and I'm also going to show you how much I pay for at my local auto part. Obviously, you guys know we were in the US. I know there's a few of you that watch my videos from outside of the US. I don't know what your part supplier might charge you for these parts, but in a second I'm going to show you what they look like and how much they cost. So here is the part that I got. I'm going to show you the replacement sensors that I got from AutoZone. I ended up paying for 2 of them altogether. They're $9.99 each. Was altogether $22 with taxes. Now, these are the on this brand. There was 2 of them. There was another one that was $6.99. My local AutoZone didn't have that one. It needed to be ordered, but I wanted to fix this today. I don't want to be running around with no AC, and I went ahead and decided to go with this guy. So there's a part number on top. I believe it says SU. I don't know if the camera can focus on that. Let me see if I can get it. There you go. Just in case you need this, there's a part number. Now, There might be other ones online, but again, I didn't want to be waiting. I didn't want to be running around with the AC, so I just went to my local AutoZone and picked this guy's up. So let's go ahead and replace him, see if it fixes the issue. All right, so as you can see here, there's a little tab that you have to pull up and then pull back. There you go. That's how you disconnect them, and then you just pull them up and they come off. Same for the other one. Pull up, back, and then just take them off. Got one right here. Snap them right in place. Second one right back in there. Put the connectors right back where it's supposed to be. And that's it. We should be all set. Now I'm going to go back inside the truck, see if it fixes the issue. Now, let's see if the ice possible message went away. There you go. All set right now. That right there will be another video that I want to show you guys how to get rid of that message right there. Thanks a lot for watching. If this video helped you, or in the future will help you solve your issue, please do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. If you have an H2 and you like videos like this, I'll appreciate if you do. You can share the video also, that'll also help me a lot. Thanks a lot again for watching. By the way, I'm going to place the part number for the AutoZone sensor and the original GM sensors in the description of today's video, in case you don't want to order the ones from AutoZone or from Advanced Auto Parts or whatever. I'm going to place the GM part number on the description of the video. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.